Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what is the best way how you can get data in Germany and what is the best eSIM for Germany. So the first one that I prepared for you is my mobile, and that's something that I'm personally using all the time, and also with the Airalo I'm going to present you as the next provider. And how does it work is that I always come here with my mobile and I click coverage and I check how is the coverage where I want to go. And I can clearly see that Germany is really well covered with my mobile, so that's pretty good. And the second thing is that you're going to click help here and see eSIM compatible phones. With the link down below in the description, you're going to get also 10% discount. So you can see that, okay, if you're going to use the phone and you have the iPhone 14 Pro, you can see that it's compatible with eSIM. Now then, when I come here and I click search, and I'm going to write here Germany eSIM. And then I'm going to choose between 5, 10, 15 or even 30 days. So let's say I'm going to be in Germany for 15 days and 10 gigabytes is going to be enough for you. So I would click here, activate now. Then you're going to see right here, you're going to get 10% discount from me. And you're going to have the starting date, also how many days you want to have it on. So 1260, pretty good for 10 gigabytes of data. So when I'm going to come here, what will happen is that when you would purchase it, you're going to get a QR code like this to your email. And all you have to do is scan it with your phone. And then I made even a full guide on how to do it with the link down below in the description. It's a YouTube tutorial. You're going to scan it and then it's going to work well for you. Then you're going to like activate it. It's super simple, nothing difficult. Of course, you can use all the data as a hotspot if you want to. That's also important for you. And that's pretty much it. Another way how we can do it is using Airalo. That's like a competitor to my mobile. And here I'm going to write Germany too. So I'm going to click here Germany. And then you can have 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte of data, even 10 gigabyte of data. So look at this. 10 gigabyte of data in Germany for 30 days, 2250. Okay. And look at this. Here we have, let's say 30 days. We have 1450 for 10 gigabyte of data with my mobile, but with the Airalo it's 2250. So my mobile is much better in this regard because with Airalo is much more expensive. So you can see that I would highly recommend using the My Mobile for it. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. The My Mobile reviews are amazing, good support, money back guarantee if it's not going to work for you, and good coverage. So all of that is well done with My Mobile and also Airalo. They are both great companies, but as you can see, with Airalo is much more expensive comparing to my mobile. So you have 20 gigabyte of data, $26, and let's say here, 20 gigabyte of data is $19, 25 with the discount. Yeah, pretty similar, but the 10 gigabyte, if you're gonna choose it, it's much cheaper. Thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.